नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is from psychology, psychosomatic manifestation. First of all, we should know what is psychomatic. Psychomatic means mind, psychic, and body means soma. A psychosomatic disorder is a disease which involves both mind and body. Some physical diseases are thought to be particularly prone to be made worse by mental factors such as stress and anxiety. The current mental state can affect how bad a physical disease is at any given time. To an extent, most diseases are psychosomatic involving both mind and body. There is a mental aspect to every physical disease. How we react to disease and how we cope with disease vary greatly from person to person. For example, the rash of psoriasis may not bother some people very much. However, the rash covering the same parts of the body in someone else may make them feel depressed and more ill. There can be physical effects from mental illness. For example, with some mental illness, you may not eat or take care of yourself very well, which can cause physical problems. However, the term psychosomatic disorder is mainly used to mean a physical disease that is thought to be caused or made worse by mental factors. Some physical diseases are thought to be particularly prone to be made worse by mental factors such as stress and anxiety. For example, these include psoriasis, eczema, stomach ulcer, high blood pressure, and heart disease. It is thought that the actual physical part of the illness, the extent of a rash, the level of blood pressure, etc., can be affected by mental factors. This is difficult to prove. However, many people with these and other physical diseases say that their current mental state can affect how bad their physical disease is at any given time. Some people also use the term psychosomatic disorder when mental factors cause physical symptoms but where there is no physical disease. For example, a chest pain may be caused by stress and no physical disease can be found. The mind can affect physical diseases. It is well known that the mind can cause physical symptoms. For example, when we are afraid or anxious, we may develop a fast heart rate, a thumping heart, palpitations, feeling sick, nauseated, shaking, tremor, sweating, dry mouth, chest pain, headaches, a knot in the stomach, fast breathing. These physical symptoms are due to increased activity of nervous impulses sent from the brain to various parts of the body and to release of adrenaline, epinephrine into the bloodstream when we are anxious. However, the exact way that the mind can cause certain other symptoms is not clear. Also, how the mind can affect actual physical diseases, rashes, blood pressure, etc. is not clear. It may have something to do with nervous impulses going to the body, which we do not fully understand. There is also some evidence that the brain may be able to affect certain cells of the immune system, which is involved in various physical diseases. Effect of stress psychosomatic disorders. Stress, colds and flu, cancer, depression, eczema and other disorders, post-traumatic stress disorder, stomach ulcer, heart disease, asthma. Psychosomatic reactions. Under the prolonged stress, the physiological processes usually continue and with no return to normalcy, they may contribute to aches and pains, tissue damage, or organ malfunction. These disorders are called psychosomatic reactions, for they involve the body or soma, but they have arisen partially through psychological stress. Psychological factors are presumed to play a significant causal role, but the problem nevertheless has a physiological outcome. How to treat psychosomatic disorder? First one, yoga, medication, healthy diet, hypnotism, the cognitive triangle, thoughts, behavior, feelings. This is all about psychosomatic disorders. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.